is Douglas with DW Automotive Detail, bringing you a quick paint correction over the 68 Cobra that we have here. We're going to do this in two steps. So we're going to do a complete compound step and then a full polish. Again, just a reminder that this paint was just about 2 months old. I got completely repainted, and now he's just looking to protect it. So overall, you know, everything's good. So we go ahead and get started with the paint correction process. So we're going to go ahead and work from inside in or inside out. So we're just going to spread the polish. We're just going to go ahead and divide it. Just give us a nice work area. Go ahead and start on the low speed and spread out the compound. We're using a medium cut pad. Alright. The compound is nice and spread, nice and evenly. Go ahead and bump up the speed. Of course, I'm gonna actually buff this off, and you can already tell that there is a dramatic difference in the amount of gloss. I don't know if you could tell that on camera, but there's a dramatic difference in the amount of gloss. Go ahead. That's it. We'll come right back real quick and we'll get right back to you. Hello everyone, this is Douglas with DW Automotive Detail, and we just got done doing a ceramic coating on this 68 Cobra Replica. If you can see, just check it out here. And from there, all right, so here we have this beautiful Cobra. Got our 10-year coating on this as well. So it's going to be nice and protected for when this Cobra actually races. Some quick facts that the owner shared with me is that it is the first place champion for LS Fest. So that is pretty amazing. About 2,400 pounds, naturally aspirated engine, and has about 700 horsepower. So that is no joke here. You know, if you're someone who is a car enthusiast and looking to really upgrade on the protection of your car, check out our coating. We provided this coating from System X, which is a professionally grade coating, and it really does protect the vehicle for a really long time. Another quick thing is that we also coated the glass, also through System X, as well as the wheels. Now these are his street wheels. He also has drag racing wheels that we didn't do, but his street wheels are nicely protected so that, you know, these nice lovely brakes here, you know, they bring up a lot of brake dust, and it's easy for him to really maintain moving forward. So again, we use a System X coating. So again, this is our System X coating. Let this right here. So this is the Max. So this is their Max coating. It's a 10-year coating that you can get through us. You know, reach out to us at dwautomotivedetails.com, and so we can get you a quote for this. Price ranges varies depending on the size of a vehicle. So today's vehicle is a very small vehicle, and this underwent our stage 1, our level 1 paint correction, which is a true compound and polish of the paint so that we can remove all the swirls and scratches or get as close to as perfection. The customer didn't really want absolute perfection because then again, it is a race car, and it does get a little beat up, but you know, understanding that you know, most of the swirls are actually. Again, we have this lovely Cobra. This got our level 1 paint correction. It's kind of aimed to get just around the 60 to 80, 90%, usually about 60 to 80% of the swirl marks. This was recently painted, repainted, so about 2 months ago. It did have some minor swirls in the paint, but overall it came out really great. Very minimal swirls. Just a few imperfections from the paint job itself that we didn't really focus on. The customer didn't really want to focus on that, as it would otherwise require wet sanding of that area to get some of these extra paint off. But again, this is a race car, so you know, looking at this beautiful Cobra, you know, you can see that it's really going to be getting close to that absolute showroom finish, and it's going to definitely be a showstopper, not only on the drag strip, but also in town, as this thing is really glossy. So I'll go ahead and show you around. All right, so of course we have this beautiful paint here. You can definitely see some minor imperfections from the paint job, but overall looks absolutely stunning. We also did coat the glass here. So that has 2 years worth of glass coating. Okay. And then we also coated the wheels. So we did the wheel face, and then we also did the wheel wells there, along with the brake caliper. So it's a really nice brake caliper. Keeps some of that brake dust off for when he does decide to ride this. Looks pretty good. But overall, the customer is really happy with the results. Again, most of the scratches are out. There are a few minor scratches. I can't, if you can't tell, just very, very minor light scratches. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there are some very light minor scratches there. But overall, I would definitely say about at least a good 75% of all the defects are completely removed. This is about a 10-hour job, so again, check us out at dwautomotivedetail.com, or even check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please follow. And as soon as this video is posted, if I still post this within the allotted giveaway, our giveaway for a free premium wash ends on December 1st. So, and again, the drawings will take place on December 3rd, so be on the lookout for that. So, just a reminder